Hey, how is it going? I'm Alex, and today I want to show you this really nice 48 inches entertainment center that it's also kind of like a TV stand and also a fireplace. It is a 48 inches walnut wood that you can actually see the accents on the white and this really nice finish up here that can fit up to TVs up to 60 inches. And also it has a 20 inches fireplace that you can operate with a remote controller as well. So let's talk about a little bit about the assemble. Sadly, I wanted to record the assemble, but I completely forgot to record the assemble because I actually started it. And I think it was half hour later than that I realized that I was almost finishing and I didn't do any of the assemble. But you got your answer there. It took me 30 minutes. I think it was like 35 minutes or so. And it was just myself. So it's super easy. And everything is just explained right here in the instructions, which are super easy to follow. But the one thing that I would say is just to get power tools. If you get power tools, it's going to be so much easier and so much faster. So get your power tools and do the assemble. Just one person is gonna be 35 minutes, no more than that. So let's talk about the size a little bit. As I was saying before, it's almost 48 inches wide by 27 inches tall and 15, kind of like 16 inches deep. So that's really cool and fits TVs up to 60 inches, I was saying before. So that's really awesome. It's a really heavy and sturdy construction. So in terms of like moving it, you may need some help, I think so. But the good thing about this, it has a storage right here that could be for your Blu-ray, your gaming console, your DVR, things like that. It has the perfect size. And then inside, you're gonna find a really nice storage with the doors that actually have a magnet right here, which again, as I was saying before, is not super hard to assemble. And the same thing right here with a shelf in the middle. So this is really good, I think, for books or candles, so you can actually put some really good movies and start your movie collection right here. So I think that's really good. I like the construction on this actual media entertainment center. And talking about the power of the fireplace, which I'm gonna actually to take you in a close-up in a few seconds so you can actually see it better. And we're gonna dim the light so you can actually see it in a perfect shape. It goes in two levels actually, 750 watts and 1500 watts. So I would say that this is a really good one for places like a living room or your master bedrooms or things like that, because this will heat pretty fast. And the way that it actually works, it gets the air from the back and it kind of like expels the air, the hot air from this fan right here, which is super hot, and I really like it. But the cherry on top, let's take a look at it. So you have this panel right here that you can actually operate with your hands for sure, and you have the turn on and off button right here, but you can also use the remote controller, which, look at this. Isn't this beautiful? I think it's really nice, and it actually works, and it works great. It takes no more than, and it's hot already, it gets no more than 5 seconds to 10 seconds to actually heat up. And yeah, this is really hot already, which is pretty cool. And then you have the flame that you can turn on and off. For sure, on is so much better, looks really nice. And then you have 2 levels of heat. This is the 1500 and this is the 750. So I think this is beautiful, not only because it's a really nice construction and it's super sturdy and super firm as well and super easy to assemble, but also because of this. This is kind of like the most a beautiful part of the actual device. And the other thing is now it's off, but the actual flames are on. So that's really cool because you can have it as a decoration as well if you want during the summer season or the spring season as well. I really like it. I think it's a really good media entertainment center with lots of features and lots of places for your, so I was saying before, your Blu-ray, your 60 inches TV, and many other things. You can actually do decorations and everything else with this one. I really like it. I'm gonna give it a huge thumbs up. I think this is a really good one. I hope this was helpful for you, and thanks for watching. I'll see you soon.